In the 1950s, an iconic chapter of human history began, the legendary race into space. This competition between two world powers, the United States of America and the Soviet Union, shifted its fierce rivalry beyond Earth. Their ambition to dominate extended to the stars, igniting a race to achieve supremacy in space. This wasn't just about political power, it was a quest to pioneer scientific breakthroughs and inspire humanity. We all know about the monumental achievements that defined this era. The Soviet Union launched Sputnik 1, the first artificial satellite, marking a historic victory. They followed it up by sending Yuri Gagarin, the first human, into space. Not to be outdone, the United States claimed its own iconic moment with the Apollo 11 mission in 1969, when Neil Armstrong took his legendary giant leap for mankind. But amidst these well-documented feats, another fascinating domain of space exploration unfolded, often overshadowed by the race to the moon. This was the race to explore Venus, a mysterious and inhospitable world shrouded in thick clouds. The Soviet Union, determined to extend its dominance in space exploration, achieved remarkable milestones on Venus. Join us today as we delve deep into the captivating history of Venus exploration, showcasing its significance and the incredible discoveries made over decades. Before we begin, if you're passionate about exploring the mysteries of the universe, don't forget to. Together, let's venture beyond Earth into the farthest reaches of the cosmos. Venus, often referred to as the evening star or morning star, has been a source of awe since ancient times. Its radiant brilliance in the night sky captivated civilizations worldwide, from the Maya and Mesopotamians to the ancient Greeks and Romans. Venus held a unique position in their celestial observations and mythology, often symbolizing beauty and mystery. The first scientific observations of Venus date back to the 17th century when the legendary astronomer Galileo Galilei observed its phases through a telescope. This discovery provided groundbreaking evidence supporting the heliocentric model of the solar system. Over the centuries, improved telescopes allowed astronomers to document various phenomena, such as the rare transit of Venus across the Sun, a celestial event that helped refine our understanding of planetary orbits and distances. However, ground-based observations could only scratch the surface of Venus's mysteries. Shrouded in dense clouds, the planet's surface remained hidden, fueling curiosity about its true nature. With the dawn of the space age, Venus became an enticing target for exploration, promising answers to long-standing questions. In 1961, the Soviet Union launched, marking humanity's first attempt to reach Venus. Though the probe lost contact before completing its mission, it set the stage for a series of ambitious endeavors. Meanwhile, the United States made its mark with the mission in 1962, which became the first spacecraft to successfully fly by Venus and send data back to Earth. It revealed that Venus's atmosphere was scorching, with temperatures exceeding 500 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead. The Soviets, undeterred by early setbacks, continued their efforts with the Venera series. Venera 3 became the first spacecraft to reach the surface of another planet in 1966, though it crashed on impact and failed to transmit data. Subsequent missions like THRU succeeded in gathering valuable atmospheric data, despite being unable to land intact. A historic breakthrough came in December 1970 with Venera 7, the first spacecraft to achieve a controlled landing on Venus and transmit data from its surface. Operating for 23 minutes under extreme conditions, Venera 7 provided unprecedented insights into Venus's harsh environment. This achievement marked a turning point, proving that humanity could overcome the planet's formidable challenges. Building on this success, Venera 8 gathered more detailed data, including surface temperature, air pressure, and atmospheric composition. These findings painted a grim picture of Venus as a hellish world, with crushing pressures and searing heat. Yet, the planet's mysteries remained far from unraveled. The quest for visual documentation took a monumental leap in 1975 with Venera 9. Equipped with spectrographs and cameras, it became the first spacecraft to capture images of Venus's surface. These rocky landscapes, alien and forbidding, were unlike anything seen before. The images, though limited in resolution, revealed the planet's layered clouds and complex terrain. Its sister probe, Venera 10, followed suit, transmitting additional panoramic images. Despite technical issues with one of its cameras, the mission added to our growing understanding of Venus. In 1982, the Soviet Union achieved another milestone with Venera 13 and Venera 14. These probes not only survived Venus's brutal conditions longer than any previous mission but also transmitted the first color images of the surface. For 127 minutes, Venera 13 operated amidst temperatures of 465 degrees Celsius and pressures 90 times that of Earth's atmosphere, a testament to engineering brilliance. These images unveiled Venus's orange-hued terrain, shaped by volcanic activity and corrosive conditions. Additionally, seismic studies conducted by these probes hinted at ongoing geological activity, sparking new questions about the planet's dynamic processes. In 1984, the Soviets launched Vega 1 and Vega 2, pushing the boundaries of atmospheric exploration. These innovative missions deployed helium balloons that drifted through Venus's clouds, collecting data on wind patterns, temperatures, and chemical compositions. This marked the first time scientists could study Venus's atmosphere over an extended period, shedding light on its turbulent weather systems. After the Soviet era, Venus exploration slowed but did not cease. NASA's Magellan mission in 1990 mapped nearly the entire surface of Venus using radar, uncovering its intricate geology and volcanic features. In 2006, the European Space Agency launched Venus Express, which operated for 8 years, studying atmospheric phenomena and confirming the planet once had oceans. The Japanese probe Akatsuki, launched in 2010, is currently orbiting Venus, focusing on atmospheric dynamics and potential volcanic activity. Future missions, such as the joint US-Russian Venera D project, aim to revolutionize our understanding of Venus. Equipped with advanced radar and landers, these missions promise to reveal new secrets of this enigmatic planet. The race to Venus, though dominated by the Soviet Union, has left an enduring legacy of collaboration and discovery. Despite geopolitical tensions, these missions advanced humanity's knowledge of one of our closest planetary neighbors. Today, with contributions from international space agencies, we have a comprehensive understanding of Venus's hostile environment, yet much remains to be explored. What mysteries will future missions uncover? Could Venus provide clues to the evolution of Earth-like planets or the potential for life in extreme environments? The possibilities are as vast as the universe itself. We'd love to hear your thoughts. What excites you most about Venus exploration? Do you think humanity should prioritize Venus over other planets? Share your opinions in the comments below, and let's start a lively discussion. Don't forget to visit video with fellow space enthusiasts. Together, we'll continue our journey to unravel the mysteries of the cosmos.